Hi guys, this is Wonder Sen. Right now in Thane it is a sunny day, and this is not a very big vlog. It is just a small motor vlog to inform you guys about some of our plans in the future. So guys, I'm thinking about starting a new series, and that series would be named as Know Your City. So it will be KYC, okay, and the basic thing I'll do in that series is that I'll travel in the city. So I'll be in Mumbai and I'll travel a couple of places. So maybe that depends. If the place is very big, like if I'm covering a place which needs a lot of time, that will be covered in a single episode. But if there are small places that need to be covered, then I can cover a couple of places in one episode. So this is how I'm planning to do it, and there are basically three reasons for me to start this series. So the first reason would be that because of this series I'll be able to travel myself, and that's what our channel demands, right? It is Wander Zen, so wandering should be there. So मेरा घूमना हो जाएगा. The second thing is that you, as in my viewers, my subscribers, will get places to see in Mumbai. So if you are not from Mumbai, then you can enjoy my videos watching the tourist attractions and different places in city. And the third reason is for people who are planning to come Mumbai, or in future they will be coming Mumbai, so they need some information of the places that they can visit. So these three are the basic needs why I am starting this series. One important thing about this series is that it is not necessary that I will be covering only Mumbai in this series. So whichever city I am in and I know about the city, I'll be covering under this series. So it will be like KYC Mumbai, KYC Pune, or KYC whatever city I know. So I have been fortunate enough to stay in a couple of cities since I left my hometown. So that would be helpful. And the more important thing is that, guys, you can suggest me places to visit, and if they are worth it, I'll surely visit those places and cover up in my episodes. So I'm looking forward for a good response for this series, because बहुत सोच के और समझ के and बहुत सारा मेहनत से I'm starting this series. So I've already made one video. I've not uploaded it because I just thought I should inform you guys before I upload that video about the series, because you'll be like, ये क्या अचानक से नया चालू कर दिया. So I'm just uploading this short motor vlog to inform you guys about my plans, and see how wide the Pokhran Road number 1 is now. So guys, one more thing, that there are a couple of places I know and couple of places I'll be exploring where bikes can't go. So there are some places in my mind. So I want to ask you a question, that is it okay if I do some vlog, not every vlog, but some vlog where bike can't go to any specific place through public transport, like train, local train or metro or bus. So if it is okay or not, you can just take this poll. There's the poll card up somewhere, and you can just give your vote. The simple question is that, should I do KYC series, certain vlogs of the series without bike transport and transporting through public ways? So please share your answer, yes or no. It will help me. मुझे पता चलेगा what exactly you want and what exactly you expect from the channel. So please vote. I'm not right now, as of now, promising that I'll be uploading this episode one by one at a specific time or and a specific day, because I'm not really sure when I'll be uploading the later videos, because guys, उसके लिए you have to travel in the city, you have to pick up a day, and I have my work also, so I can't promise you at a certain, for example, if I'll say that on each Friday I'll upload KYC episode, so that would be very hectic for me because I'm not sure if I can record for each and every week because I have to go out and I have to record. So I'm not promising, but yes, ऐसा भी नहीं होगा कि 2 महीने बाद एक एपिसोड आ रहा है फिर अचानक से 2 आ गए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. There will be episodes, there will be sequential episodes, and yes, I'm just not promising my schedule for this, so I'm sorry for that. But maybe in future, if things go right, I can do it. And the most important thing is the name. Now, why I am naming it as KYC, Know Your City? The simple intention goes parallel to the intention of this channel, to motivate you and to urge you guys to travel places, no matter if it is city or no matter if it is outside the city. So मेरा vlogs देख के people would travel, people would know the places and people would go there. So this extracts the basic intention of the channel, and yes, मेरा motive complete हो जाता है उससे. So that's why the name KYC, Know Your City, because you should know your city if you live there. Because I've seen people who stay in a particular city, suppose Mumbai, but they don't travel at all. They don't even know places. Probably people like me who are not from Mumbai, who have shifted to Mumbai a lot of years ago, know more places than such kind of people. So अच्छा नहीं लगता ये सब देख के कि यार you stay in the city and you don't know about the city. So yes, that's the reason KYC. Do let me know if you like the name. And there is no sequence for any location. I'll be covering location as per my plans. So I hope that interests you, and guys, I need your support for this. So please give me good support. Please suggest me places so that I can cover them. So yes, that's about it. I guess I've just made this vlog just to inform you guys. So yes, I'll see you at some other place in some other vlog. Until next time, keep wandering. Peace out. Share कर दो, like कर दो, comment कर दो, and do subscribe.